Are you looking for the best magnetic window cleaners? Magnetic window cleaners have become essential tools for safely cleaning high-rise and multi-pane windows without leaning out of interior space or hiring professionals. These devices use paired magnets to connect interior and exterior cleaning sides, allowing interior operators to scrub, rinse, and wipe the outside surface from inside. The category has expanded to accommodate a range of glass thicknesses, from standard residential single panes to thicker double-glazed units.
Product number 1. F-Care Outside Magnetic Window. The F-Care unit positions itself as a versatile 5-gear adjustable cleaner designed for glass thicknesses from 0.3 to 1.2 inches. It emphasizes an upgraded magnet strength beyond typical market offerings and packages the device with multiple sponges and a replacement accessory set as a value add. The design includes a 3-sponge water-collecting approach to maintain moisture on the cleaning surface and a 4.9 width by 6.3 h high footprint with a modest 0.95 kilogram weight. The claim of enhanced magnet strength and a gear-based thickness selector is central to its positioning as a one-tool solution for varying external glass thickness without swapping tools. The product's performance hinges on how well the 5-step magnet regime translates to real-world glass thicknesses and how reliably the sponge assembly maintains moisture during extended passes. The bundled accessories, 30 scouring pads, 4 rubber strips, and 30 buckles increase long-term maintenance value, though users should be aware of the constraint that this model supports glass thicknesses only up to 1.2 inches. Thicker panes will compromise grip and could lead to detachment if used beyond spec. Wetting both sides of the glass remains critical for smooth operation, and the instruction video is recommended prior to first.
Product number 2. Double-sided window cleaner. Kokiti's blue double-sided cleaner highlights a 5-gear magnetic system and a triangular design intended to minimize friction and maximize stability while traversing exterior glass from indoors. It features 6 large water storage sponges to extend cleaning intervals and reduce the need for constant re-wetting, plus replaceable sponge cloths and a 0.3 to 1 inch thickness range tailored to common double-glazed units. The kit also includes a 2.5 meter safety rope and a promise of still available customer support, positioning it as a robust mid-range option with a focus on efficiency and safety for high-rise applications. In practice, the triangular form factor aims to reduce contact resistance and spread the magnet pair's grip across a broader contact surface, which can help prevent sudden detachment on windy days or when external moisture is present. The 6-sponge system is a meaningful upgrade over smaller sponge designs, contributing to steadier moisture delivery and fewer streaks. However, the product's limitation to 1 inch thickness means it shares the same constraint as many competitors when cleaning particularly thick insulated glass, and users should ensure their glazing aligns with this spec before purchasing. The replacement accessories kit.
Product number 3. Magnetic Window Cleaner Tool. MidClear presents a 6-gear magnetic force control system, 1 to 6, that accommodates a broad thickness range from 0.2 to 1.4 inches, emphasizing wide applicability across single and double-glazed panes. It ships with a 3-meter safety wire rope and 6 large sponge pads intended to maximize moisture retention for smooth gliding. The package includes 3 additional sponge sets and replacement rubber blades, signaling a strong emphasis on long-term maintenance and continuous performance. The product also notes an auto-diminishing magnetism to a weak 1-gear state when detached to mitigate pinching risks, aligning with safety-conscious design language. Performance-wise, the 6-gear clamp offers granular control for varying glass thicknesses, which is helpful for mixed glass households or buildings with inconsistent panes. The 3-meter safety line is a practical feature for exterior cleaning, enabling safer operation from indoors. On the downside, the MidClear unit is heavier, 2.42 pounds, and carries a more complex learning curve, with users advised to study the usage video before attempting exterior passes. Some users may find the magnetic lock strength insufficient on very dry. Product number 4. Double-side magnetic window. Bafex Blue 4 to 30 mm thickness window cleaner is marketed as a robust option for a fairly common residential thickness range, with 5 magnetic strength levels controlled via a knob. The device features a double-sided cleaning setup with a triangular head optimizing reach to window corners and sides, plus a 2.5-meter safety rope and a replaceable accessory kit, sponges, scrapers. The unit's emphasis on consistent cleaning across office or home windows, as well as the added safety rope, aligns with typical high-rise cleaning scenarios, while still accommodating car windows in certain contexts. In use, the 40 to 30 mm range captures a wide subset of double-pane glass, though it excludes ultra-thick panes beyond 30 mm. The knob-based strength selection provides tactile and quick adjustments in the field, which is advantageous when switching between windows with varying thicknesses. The safety rope is standard of note, reducing drop risk during exterior cleaning, but the device's larger footprint and the need to align sponges and blades correctly may require a
Product number 5, Magnetic Window Cleaner Tool Glass Hotchwise offers a 6-level adjustable magnetic force system to cover 0.3 inches to 1 inch thickness, pairing a double-sided cleaning design with 6 water-storing sponges and dual microfiber cloths. The inclusion of 2 blue microfiber cleaning cloths alongside the core tool emphasizes a focus on achieving streak-free results with minimal residue. The package also includes a 2.5-meter safety rope and extra accessories. It positions itself as a value-oriented option with practical cleaning performance for interior users tackling exterior glass from inside a high-rise or single-family home. In terms of user experience, the 6-sponge setup promises extended wetting intervals and more consistent moisture, which helps reduce streaking and drag. The 2 microfiber cloths can offer additional pass-through options for final drying, though cloth maintenance will be essential to avoid lint transfer or fiber shedding on delicate glass surfaces. The product maintains the standard safety rope and emphasizes a comprehensive accessory bundle for upkeep, aligning with consumer expectations for mid-range